pictures coming in right now of President Draupadi Murmu, who's just in fact reached Parliament at this point in time. It's an important day today with the President leading the Constitution Day celebrations at Old Parliament is what we know. Images on your screen are of the President reaching the Old Parliament at the historic Central Hall of the Old Parliament building. November 26 is observed as Constitution or Samvidhan Divas.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आप देख सकते हैं प्रधानमंत्री वाहन में आगे ही बैठे हैं प्रधानमंत्री पहुंच चुके हैं
Just the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in fact just reached the old Parliament at this point in time. The 26th of November is observed as Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, marking the moment India gave itself its guiding document, the Constitution.
और प्रधानमंत्री केंद्रीय कक्ष में ये वो ऐतिहासिक सेंट्रल हॉल है जो कि संविधान के निर्माण का गवाह बना, साक्षात्कार किया इस ऐतिहासिक सेंट्रल हॉल ने। उसी सेंट्रल हॉल में आज का संविधान दिवस का वृहद कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया जा रहा है।
Along with the President taking part in the main function today, we are celebrating Samvidhan Divas. Lok Sabha Speaker, among others, also to be present today. The theme of this year's celebration is Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Swabhiman. The function being held in the Central Hall of the Old Parliament building. The President, the Vice President, Prime Minister Modi, the Lok Sabha Speaker, along with Union Ministers, Members of Parliament, attending the event today. Reaffirming commitment to the Samvidhan, we will see today millions across the country reading the preamble. The President will be leading the celebrations, reading from the preamble of the Constitution. And during the program, the translated version of the Constitution of India will be released in 9 languages, including in Malayalam, Marathi, in Nepalese, Punjabi, Bodo, Kashmiri, Telugu, Odia and Assamese. A commemorative booklet, Bharat Ki Samvidhan Se Kala or calligraphy is also going to be released is what we know. Images on your screens right now are of the Prime Minister reaching the old Parliament building. At the historic Central Hall will this be carried out. Images on your screen at this point in time are of several, in fact, cabinet ministers as well. The Prime Minister, the President, the Vice President, the Lok Sabha Speaker, the Minister, in fact, the Leader of the House, the Prime Minister is there, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Kiren Rijiju, also there at the old Parliament House. Images are, in fact, from the old Parliament building. President Draupadi Murmu is going to be leading the Constitution Day celebrations at the historic Central Hall of the old Parliament building. It's today itself, 26th of November, is observed as Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, marking the moment India gave itself its guiding document. It's a day to reflect on the core values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity principles, not just enshrined on paper, but ideals the nation continues to strive towards.
और सभी दलों के सांसद भी केंद्रीय कक्ष में उपस्थित हैं इस महान आयोजन के निमित्त। हम आपको बता दें कि राष्ट्रपति इसकी अध्यक्षता कर रहे हैं। संग्राम जी क्या कुछ कह रही हैं ये तस्वीरें?
It's the 76th Constitution Day today. The Prime Minister paying tribute, President Draupadi Murmu also to address the Parliament today. The Prime Minister has paid tribute to the farmers of the Indian Constitution, framers, I beg your pardon, of the Indian Constitution, highlighting their vision and the importance of citizen duties. Images are from the Central Hall of the old Parliament building. A national function is scheduled here where President Draupadi Murmu is going to be leading the celebrations, addressing a joint gathering of both houses of Parliament. The Prime Minister said that the Constitution empowers us with rights. It reminds us we've got certain duties as well as citizens. The event will also be addressed by the Vice President and the Lok Sabha Speaker.
अलग-अलग देशों के प्रतिनिधि मंडल लगातार आते हैं, सीखते हैं और वो देखते हैं कि इतनी विविधता के साथ अगर
Images on your screen are from the old Parliament building, the Central Hall, where the Prime Minister and the President would be leading the Constitution Day celebrations today. The Prime Minister has called upon citizens to place their duties foremost in their minds as India moves towards the vision of a Viksit Bharat. I'm going to go straight across to Aishwarya, an important day today, an important message from the Prime Minister. In any moment now, Aishwarya, we would see the President, in fact, leading the Constitution Day celebrations.
Well, definitely. You know, one of the things that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has often been speaking about is the fact that we all need to stay united. Not just that, he also speaks about the fact that there is a clear vision that the government has given, a vision that India should move from the developing nations to being a developed nation in 2047. In fact, just 24 hours ago when the Prime Minister was in Ayodhya, he spoke about the fact that India is on the right path. India is on the path to make that shift from being a developing nation to being a developed nation. And all the policies now are being made with regards to that one goal in mind, and that is what each and every citizen should also be working towards. In fact, the Prime Minister also has been asking support from the opposition parties. In the next 4 days, we will have the Parliament, and then we will see the Prime Minister once again making an appeal that the session should go on smoothly. All the policies are for the benefit of the people of our country, and that is something that the opposition should also keep in mind. Prime Minister Modi has also spoken about the fact that what we really need to do at the moment is build upon the momentum that India has had. He's also spoken about the fact that now, if you look at where India stands on a global platform, there is a tremendous change. From 2014 till now, the world now sees India very differently, and in certain aspects also listens to what India has to say. So all those things, that is something that the Prime Minister has spoken about. In fact, the President also will be speaking about how far our country has come over the past few years and how far we have to go. You know, that little bit of a gap that we see between a developing nation and the developed nation, that's something that we all should be focusing on.
Well, absolutely. The Prime Minister also has addressed the citizens, calling upon them to place their duties foremost in their minds. Of course, as India, he wrote, moves towards the vision of Viksit Bharat. Today is also a day, Aishwarya, that we would see, in fact, the preamble being read in different parts of the country.
Well, unity, you know, that is something, Sneha, that the government has been focusing on, that we all need to stay united. You do not need to see which caste you come from, which religion you come from. You are first and foremost Indians, and that is something that should be your focus. The Prime Minister also has spoken about the fact that our constitution was made by people who thought every day of India and what India should look like. And then, you know, after deliberations, after those massive debates, we have the constitution of our country. The constitution tells us what rights we have, but the constitution also tells us the duties that we have as citizens of our country. So that is also something that we all should be focusing on, and we all should be keeping in mind. While we all do ask the government for our rights, we should also be very clearly looking at the duties that we have as citizens of India. The constitution is the supreme book, the book which rules and governs our country. And if we all follow that, if we all follow along with our rights, if we all also follow our duties, then the work of the government, you know, let me tell you, will become easier. Prime Minister Modi, not just now, Sneha, but we've also seen at various places, even the RSS time and again has been speaking about the fact that we should all be united and working towards the development in each and every aspect, the development of our nation. Each and every person should be able to get a slice of the development that the government at the moment is working at, is looking at.